What's up, crypto kids, profit seekers? How y'all doing today? I'm just coming at you with a little bit of platform updates and have a look at my accounts and see how everything is going as usual. We're over here at Diversity Fund Club. We're up to 7,232 members. It just keeps growing. And what they have here is two different profit packs. I'm sure most of you are aware, DP25 and DP50. DP25 gives you 120% matures, and DP50 gives you 125%. The reason I say most of you probably know this is because these guys are solid as a rock, have been around a long time, over 3 years paying, and there's a lot of platforms that this is one of their pillars. You know, Lucrative Fund Club is here. Sharks Holdings, this is one of their pillars. And then also Sansi Profits invested here. So a lot of different places call Diversity Fund a home. And let's head over and check out my account. Says there the profit for last week was 3.1%. So the payouts have gone down a little bit since the part of the Corona carnage, but that's the way these guys are. It fluctuates based on what they make, always has. We were getting about 5-6% before, but the 3.1 this week, when things are what they are, with MyPassiveTrades being what it is and all that good stuff, it's no problem. I got $64 here. It's enough to snatch up a pack. Let's go ahead and do that. If you go to, I like this one, Rent Profit Packs. It's the place to go anyway. See, I'm here. I got 20 out of 20, so I can't get any more DP25s. I got 28 out of 50 here, climbing up my way to 30. After I get 30, I'll start going for another withdrawal. So I could grab one of those. Let's do that. I'll come down here. Main balance is what you need for the reinvest. DP50. Oh, there we go. Run it up. Confirm package. Come back to Rent Profit Packs. 29 out of 50. Pretty cool. Nice. My account is looking quite well over here. All right, moving on from there. Next up, we're over here at Lucrative Fund Club. Fantastic platform, one of my favorites. And this little pop-up comes up right now. We have purchased the lifetime packages at MyPassiveTrades. We hope that ERK token can hold or increase its value in the short or long term. Within a few days, you will see how well the new system is working. If we manage to withdraw money in fiat, we may be able to increase our daily payouts. This also requires that Bitcoin remains at least 6,500. Right now it's at 6,300, and it was as far down as 6,100 earlier. No, it went down to 5.9 today. So having some good volatility. Wasn't there trading it. We will update our portfolio page soon. Let the turtle be with you, Nick. So doing good over here. I got $56, and this thing is in a weird position today. Let's see here. Let's have my daily. See, I got one of these. Appetite comes while eating. I got one of those. That's the first $50 package I got from all my reinvests here, and that gives me 130%. So I got 25 of the piece of cakes. Those are the 110s. 2 kill. We can go look at the front of the page and see for sure. So 110 on the $10 packs, 120 on the $25 packs, 125 on the 50 packs. And now I'm about to purchase my second one of these. And nothing wrong with that. Really like the maturity ADpack 125%. But if you get a membership, then if you pay for the membership, then you'll get the 130. And once I get up a little bit, I'll have that. I may still have some days on my membership left from before the whole thing changed over. Let's go to my account. So let's see. I still have 35 days. So I'm earning 130% on those right now, and for the next 35 days. And then probably won't be buying one as of yet. I'll wait till I build it up quite a bit more than that. So we'll head over to revenue sharing, ADpacks. The screen usually comes up normal. There we go. And let's get one of these. We'll use, let's see here. Let's do ads earned Bitcoin. I believe I have Jamie's link right there. It's one of my people underneath me. And we're going to grab him an appetite. Well, I'm not grabbing him a package. It's my package, but he gets the advertisements for it. So there we go. Appetite comes while eating. Nice. Pay via the main balance. You have purchased one ad pack. Go back to the front page. Oh, it loaded up normally. That's nice. Okay. 420. It's just because I have my resolution set in the way that I like it. Nice. So still got $6. I guess I got $1.74 in these LFC bucks. So everything's going quite good over here. The payments did reduce just a little bit, but it's the way it goes. We're in that type of market right now, right? So moving on from there. Next up, we're over here at Ace Wins, the passive income casino. I don't use this site much, but I imagine a lot of people stuck at home are probably using it. I use it for the passive income side because I understand that, online casinos are a huge deal, and people who gamble, they gamble. So one of my best friends is a poker maniac. I mean, he's like wicked good, has tournaments in his garage and weird stuff, and and I respect it, respect the skills. I can get down. I just not my main thing. So anyway, if you're interested in doing poker, they have regular tournaments here, and you can pretty much always get someone to play with you if you just go to the Telegram group and let them know, hey, I want to get in, and you'll be in a game in no time. So what I like is the passive income side of things. That's what I'm looking for. I have a casino investment of $471.66, and currently I have $107 here as my return on investment. I'm going to reinvest that whole thing. $107.44 will be deducted and reinvested into the casino investment. I agree with that. Congratulations, you have invested $107.44. So that gets me up to $579. Sweet. And trying to get that up to at least 800 and then work myself a nice withdrawal. So everything's going quite good over here. I should, let's see what happens if I withdraw these coins. Let's see. Oh, you have to do it to an Ethereum address, huh? Yeah, I don't have that set up. But I haven't been earning on these because I guess they're in my wallet or something. This hasn't been going up. When I had them over here in my HODL rewards, they were. I'm not sure how to switch those over. I will have to find that out and let you know. All right, had to give myself a reminder. But yeah, what I need to do is purchase a position in one of the matrices, and then I'll be able to move these around until you purchase at least $25 worth of Ace Wins coins or ACW. Until you do that, you don't really have the ability to move this stuff around. So I'll purchase the $25 worth on the next 25 that I earn here, purchase a position in the matrix, and then get these other coins moved and take you along the ride when I do that. Gotta let this build up 25 more bucks. So there's that. Shouldn't take long with a nice $579 investment in there. So let's see what that's been giving me a day. At the 470 was 64 cents, $2 here, buck here, $1.23, 216. Let's see if we got any good, really banging days in there. No, looks like a couple $2 days there. People got to use the casino. And the admin guy told me that they're doing this dice next, and that should be, or maybe it was slots. I can't remember exactly. One of these two, and it's coming out pretty soon. So we've all been waiting for that. So hopefully they get a move on there. But still, just with the poker, I'm still doing quite well. So right on. Let's move on from there. Next up, I'm over here at Mind Capital. Mind Capital is doing well. Mind Capital is one where you deposit your funds and you can reinvest. You flip a switch, and if you have the switch flipped, every $100 it reinvests. And if you have it switched to off, then nothing happens. It builds up, and once this reaches $100, you can withdraw it. And from what I understand and what I've seen from other people, withdrawals are instant, and I'm looking forward to getting my first one. So I originally sent in, I believe it was $600. I believe it was 600 and well, it came 100 and then another 500, and then let that build up to 9. So I feel like I got a nice little pile here ready for a first withdraw, letting this build up. I understand some people weren't happy with this platform because they didn't realize that it takes a pretty good chunk of time to get your like, if you want to draw this whole thing out, the full 900, it's like a 4-week wait or something. I believe it's 30-day at Arbistar or something like that. A lot of those platforms are like that, but it's not really that's not really the strategy here. I don't think that's to me, that's not the strategy to go for, is put a large sum of money in for a month and then pull it all out. That's not really the way I go with this platform. What I'm trying to do is I put in my initial deposit, let that build up for a little bit right at the beginning, and then after that, try to get on house money through my payments, right? So I let this 900 build up, and now I feel like I got my pile, and so I'm going to start withdrawing, and then I need to withdraw, the $600, and then I'll be on house money with this 910, and then after that, take it up to $1,000 or whatever, and then from there on out, for as long as this platform exists, full profits. So that's my strategy with this. Other people have their own strategy, but maybe they don't like the payouts. Whatever. I'm happy. Slow and steady wins the race, and it's been working out quite well for me. Let's see here. Been getting 1.14%, but you don't get all of that because 35% or whatever goes to the company. I'm just fine with that. I've been getting 6 a day, so it's gone down a little bit. I was getting about 10 a day earlier, and then here we see if we could go back a few days. I guess not, just these latest transactions. But I was getting $10 a day for a good while, and then now it's dropped down to this 5, 6. But that's just fine. They're still kicking it out and bouncing around in a bear market, and nothing wrong with that. Totally stoked about this, guys. And whether other people are or not, I think this is just a fantastic platform. So anyway, there's that. There's risk in everything. Obviously, all of these platforms carry risk. Everything in crypto carries risk, especially now with all the weird stuff going on, and people could get sick or not, not make it through it. Maybe they're not healthy or whatever, Do some Wim Hof, take some really deep breaths, stay as healthy as you can. All right, anyway, this platform, Mind Capital, has been doing quite well for me, and trucking along through the bear market. Moving on from there. Last and certainly not least, the newest member of the team, Passive.Expert. Every platform I presented today does a dollar conversion. So you're moving your crypto, or maybe you just invested in dollars, but you're moving your dollars into dollars and then back out of dollars or whatever. Either way, when you're in this platform, and all these platforms I spoke of today, everything's in a dollar. So, it's kind of a hedge against where Bitcoin's going to go. What I do is I wait, when it's down, I try to withdraw. And when Bitcoin goes up, I'm don't. I reinvest. And so that's kind of my strategy with most of these. I consider Bitcoin pretty low, so I've been happily withdrawn from different platforms and moving that into some Bitcoin-based platforms if I can. Arbstar's going private club, so that's good. The community bot is, and hopefully they open up some more bots to the public, but they say there's only a certain number of arbitrage. I will go into that in another video. Right now, we're here at Passive.Expert, and like I said, newest member of the team in dollars, $5 packages, maturity 125%, no limit. Hey, I am doing a team rotator on this, so got ads up, ads are in Bitcoin and a bunch of other places, even though ad feeds and ad flow vanished on me in the Corona carnage. Still doing a lot more advertising and looking for a couple more lead sources, and just going to be building up, getting like every other week now with the new payouts with Cash FX. I'm getting $100 and I'm putting all that towards advertising and your guys' links and trying to get in like looped services. If you haven't been following along, that's my strategy. And so the advertising is just going to keep building up, and I am doing a team rotator for this. And if you get into this, I'll send you an email. They're giving us emails in this platform now, so I have one I need to send out tonight, and I'll send an email asking you for your referral link. Send it over to me, and I'll try to help you get some good referrals. Look at here, we're at 1,395 total members. Only 20 days online. Pretty dang early doors here. I think I was like 300 something. So let's head over to my account. I just had the packages move. I had $150 move from here over to here. I now have $265 of these $5 packages running. I have $5 in ADpacks pending that will move over here. It takes like 2 or 3 days, just depending on how quick they get it there. And that's realistic. You got to take the money and move it there before it can start earning, and it usually takes at least a day at wherever you're going to put it. These are all primarily, except for the arbitrage fiat thing that Mind Capital has going. Everything we've done today has been like these diversified approach platforms, right? Where you have a large diversified approach, and they're in a whole bunch of other platforms, and they keep as many legs on the table as they can, and that whole thing. So like I said, I got 265 here. I'm not sure that I've actually earned on these in any given day, but let's have a look. Oh yeah, I did. So today's the first day of my new bigger earnings. I got $2.12 when I was making when I had $100. I was making 80 cents. That went up a little bit. I got to 92 cents. And then I got $2.12 on my new higher amount, 265. So nice. And then I'll have this $5 move over there in another day or so, and looking forward to it. Nice. Passive.Expert, heck yeah, newest member of the team. There's your dollar-based platforms updates for today. Fiat farms, and yeah, these are all still doing quite well, and good teams, and got me feel like my portfolio's still doing just fine. So, lost my passive trades for the most part. We'll see what happens with the Eureka coin, like Lucrative Fund says. If that, does have liquidity, then that could still be a payer. For now, I'm just going to reinvest. I'm got like 900 something. Seems natural to at least get up to 1,000, and then from there, I might as well have 1,200 forever packs, and then I'll start withdrawing. Luckily, I had just withdrawn from there, so that worked out good for me. I had just taken out like $300 before they made the switch over, and so I was in a natural cycle to reinvest for a little while anyway. So there's all that. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. CryptoMusic, nice little late night hanging out, chilling, and walk you through my little platform dollar dance. So thanks for coming along, guys. Appreciate you. Hope you're having a hellified great day. Hope you still got a lot of profits falling on you, and hope your family's doing well, care about you, and keep your heads up. All this will be behind us before long. All right, I'm out.